What's the meaning of adventurously? Adventurously. 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 The adverb adventurously describes a willingness or inclination to take risks or embark on new and exciting experiences. Someone who behaves adventurously is often described as daring, bold, or adventurous. They may engage in activities such as hiking into uncharted territory, trying new foods, or traveling to far-off destinations. People who live adventurously tend to have a more fulfilling and exciting life, as they are not afraid to take chances and strive for new experiences. Ultimately, living life adventurously can lead to personal growth and transformation.